Hi guys, I'm Keith from Sycamore Adventure. Today we're going to do a session of den building, and we're trying to do it with things that you'll have in your house. So some of the materials that we've got today is we've got coat hangers, something comfy to put inside your den so you can sit down afterwards, sticks or twigs that you might be able to find in your garden. I've got some poles which are used for gardening, or you could use bamboo. Cardboard, really important, having some pegs, and also the type of pegs that you can push into the ground. And then you need some form of rope or twine or washing line, and then as much old sheets. Make sure you ask your parents or family members first that you can use them, that we can use to finish your den off. Okay, so me and Ash, we're going to make a very basic sort of tent style structure. First thing you're going to do is get your washing line or rope or twine and put it between two trees. So we're going to make a basic knot around the tree where you thread it through, pull it tight. One more time. That should hold. And this is what we're going to drape our materials over. Once it's tied between the two trees, then we're going to drape our material over the rope. We want to spread it out as far as we can, and then we're going to use some pegs to peg it and hold it in position. Don't need many, 3 or 4 should do the trick. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the material nice and tight so that there's space underneath the den for you to hang out, and we're going to use some pegs and push it through our material to hold it in place. Then if we have a mallet, we can just knock these down so that they're not going to come apart anywhere. Obviously you're going to need to do this on both sides. Another trick that you can do is get a wire coat hanger, and you can thread your material through the coat hanger, use a few pegs to keep it in place, and this can be added to your structure. And again, you'd peg it at both sides to extend the length of your den. It can also just be hooked on a branch, though I don't have a branch to hand. And then, you know, it can make a smaller den by itself. Finally, you need to dress your new home. So I've got a nice comfy blanket that I'm going to put inside so that I can have a little sleep.
Alright guys, I'm Will, this is Joe. We're going to be showing you how to quickly build a teepee. So what we're using is, we're just using sticks, box standard sticks that we found. So you start off with a little frame like that, you get some more sticks, keep popping the sticks on. Thanks for holding it, Joe. You might need 2 people, so hopefully get an adult, because you know your parents are all off work at the moment, so they'll be willing to help you. If not, cry. Anyway, right, so look, can you see the form there? What we're going to do, just to make sure we secure it, piece of string, and what I normally do is tie it to one. I'm doing a lovely little granny knot here, which everyone should be able to do, and then with that you just rotate it around and around keep pulling it tight, and then you can weave it in and out, so it makes nice and tightness on there. And then quickly tie it down like so. Okay, and there you go, your teepee. And what you do then is quickly, you can cover it, wrap it, or if that's the basic frame and you got loads more sticks, you can just put more sticks around so it builds it up completely, and then you can get some foliage, leaves, and do a great job. Okay.
Another one that's really easy to make is a lean-to. Okay, so all we've done here is I've used 4 garden poles. You could use sticks or broomsticks or whatever you've got available. I've leaned them up against a flat wall, and then at the top, using pegs, I've attached my sheet, and at the bottom, just to make it a little bit stronger, I've got an old cardboard box which I've opened up to create the bottom of your den, and then you simply go in at the sides.